Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about Terragators. This also applies to your Rogators, but especially Terragators. We've seen it happen a couple of times this spring already again. What we want you to do is, if you see this big pin that I'm pointing at, there's 3 grease nipples on there. You need to grease the crap out of that thing every day. You have to see new grease come out from beside the pin each day. It can't be old grease. So if you're using red grease, it's got to be red. It can't be black stuff that's coming out of there. Reason being is that pin area is subjected to all of the dust that's coming out of the booms, and that dust gets in there and it mixes with the grease and it causes those pins to seize. And what happens is it will actually shear the whole pin and the boom right off of the machine on you, and then you got to get a welder to come out and fix it up, and you'll be down for half a day and all of those good things. So make sure you grease the daylights out of that. And then as well, there's some grease nipples up front on the chain that can be greased quite often, because again, that stuff is all subjected to a huge amount of fertilizer dust. On the sprayers, what you really want to grease a lot is the boom tree. That boom tree goes up and down all the time as your boom height control is looking after it. You need to have lots of grease on that boom tree, and don't forget to grease the slides on your wheels. Those are often under greased, and that's a high wear area, and you can also have it start to seize up there. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.